where the desert meets the sea, where history lives beside modern life, and where every traveler finds something new. If it's your first time here, welcome. Here are the best travel tips to help you explore Tunisia with ease, confidence, and excitement. From what to pack to how to move, eat, and experience more. Tunisia is located in North Africa, right across the Mediterranean from Italy, small in size but full of variety. The currency is the Tunisian dinar, TND. You can't bring it in or out of the country, so exchange money when you arrive at the airport or a bank. Tunisia is very affordable. Budget travelers can eat well, stay comfortably, and move around easily without breaking the bank. Most Tunisians speak Arabic and French, but you'll hear plenty of English too, especially in coastal towns. A few local words like salam, hello, or beslema, goodbye, will earn you instant smiles. Tunisia has a Mediterranean climate, sunny most of the year. May to October, perfect for beaches and sea adventures. November to March, best for the desert and exploring without heat. April or September, ideal for balanced weather, fewer crowds, clear skies, and warm evenings. Avoid August if possible. It's peak heat and local vacation time, meaning higher prices and busier resorts. Packing smart makes your trip smoother. Tunisia is sunny, so bring sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. Pack light, breathable clothing for the day and a light jacket for cooler nights, especially if you're visiting in winter or the desert. Bring comfortable shoes. You'll walk a lot in medinas and ruins. A universal adapter and power bank are essential. Power outlets are the European 2-pin type. And always carry a reusable water bottle and some tissues. Not every restroom is fully stocked. Food is one of Tunisia's biggest joys. Spicy, colorful, and full of Mediterranean and North African flavors. Try couscous, the national dish, and brick, a crispy pastry with egg and tuna. In coastal towns like Mahdia or Hammamet, seafood is fresh and cheap. For breakfast, order mlawi or tabuna, local flatbreads served with cheese, honey, or olive oil. And don't miss mint tea with pine nuts. It's more than a drink. It's a Tunisian tradition of welcome. A little tip, locals use a lot of harissa, spicy chili paste. Ask for shwaya har if you want just a little heat. Tunisia is small enough to explore easily, but diverse enough to surprise you. The luge or shared taxi is the most local way to travel. Fast, affordable, and connects every city and town. For comfort, trains run between major cities like Tunis, Sousse, Sfax, and Gabes. And if you want freedom, rent a car. Roads are good and driving is straightforward outside the city centers. In towns, use yellow taxis. Always make sure the meter is running, or agree on a price before you start. Always carry small change for coffee, tips, and transport. Keep a copy of your passport in your bag. Avoid tap water. Bottled water is cheap and safe. Most shops close on Friday afternoons for prayer. For navigation, Google Maps works great offline if you download the area in advance. Get a local SIM card, Ooredoo, Tunisia Telecom, or Orange for cheap data. Perfect for maps, translation, and staying connected. Tunisia is safe and friendly, but as anywhere, stay aware of pickpockets in crowded medinas. Most first-timers head straight to the coast, and it's easy to see why. But don't stop there. Tunisia's real magic is in its mix of experiences. Explore Tunis for culture and history, Sidi Bou Said for blue and white beauty, El Jim for Roman ruins, and Kairouan for spirituality and craftsmanship. Then go south to Djerba Island for beaches and local charm, or Douz and Tozeur for your first taste of the Sahara Desert. Each region feels like a different country, all within a few hours' travel. Tunisia mixes old-world charm with modern convenience. Wi-Fi is widely available in hotels and cafes, but mobile data is faster and more reliable. Buy a local SIM card right at the airport. 5 to 10 dinars gets you plenty of data. ATMs are common, but withdraw cash early in the day. Some machines run out in smaller towns. Keep a mix of small bills. Many shops can't break large notes. And remember, tipping isn't mandatory, but rounding up is always appreciated. Plan travel times early. Louages leave when full. Morning trips fill fastest. Book trains in advance for long distances, especially during holidays. Download offline maps before you go off-grid, deserts and small towns. Stay flexible. Tunisia runs on relaxed timing. Enjoy the slower rhythm. Avoid overpacking. Laundry services are cheap and easy to find. Keep a phrase app handy. A little Arabic or French makes travel smoother. Carry a scarf or light shawl, great for sun, wind duck, or entering quiet places. In markets, bargaining is normal. Do it with a smile and humor. For the best souvenirs, skip tourist stalls. Head to local craft cooperatives for fair prices and quality. Try a traditional hammam, steam bath, an amazing local spa experience. And don't rush. Tunisia rewards those who wander slowly. Tunisia is a land that surprises you, a mix of old and new, calm and energy, sea and sand. Your first trip here won't just be a vacation, it'll be the start of something deeper. So take your time, explore, and let the country unfold at its own rhythm. Tunisia isn't a place you just visit, it's a feeling that stays. It's the whisper of the wind through olive trees, the glow of the sun over white walls and blue doors, the laughter that echoes through markets, and the quiet that follows you into the desert night. You'll come for the beaches, you'll stay for the stories. And when you leave, Tunisia won't leave you. So pack your camera, your curiosity, and your heart, and let this land show you something beautiful. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with other travelers, and subscribe to Hidden Tunisia for more guides, stories, and adventures from across this incredible country. See you in the next journey. Discover Tunisia.